Ever wondered how to navigate the world of cryptocurrency trading? Well, today we journey into the intricacies of this digital marketplace, demystifying the steps one needs to take to become a successful trader. Imagine stepping into a bustling digital marketplace, full of opportunities and potential pitfalls. That's the world of cryptocurrency trading, a place where fortunes can be made and lost with a simple click. But how exactly does one go about trading in this volatile space? First things first, it's crucial to understand the underlying technology of blockchain, the backbone of all cryptocurrencies. Picture a continuously growing list of records, each block linked and secured using cryptography. This decentralized and transparent nature of blockchain is what makes cryptocurrencies so unique and appealing. Now, onto the actual trading process. It all starts with choosing the right cryptocurrency exchange platform. This platform acts as the middleman in your transactions, allowing you to buy, sell, and hold cryptocurrencies. There are many platforms out there, each with its unique features, but the key is to choose one that aligns with your needs and offers robust security measures. Once you've settled on a platform, the next step is creating an account. This usually involves providing some personal information and setting up two-factor authentication for added security. Remember, in the world of digital currencies, security is paramount. With an account set up, it's time to deposit funds. Most platforms allow deposits in both fiat currencies, like the British pound or the US dollar, and other cryptocurrencies. It's important to note that some platforms may charge a fee for deposits, so keep an eye out for that. Now, the fun part, trading. Cryptocurrency trading involves two main types: spot trading and derivatives trading. Spot trading is buying or selling a cryptocurrency outright, while derivatives trading involves betting on the future price movements of a cryptocurrency. Finally, after making a trade, it's important to track your investments. This involves keeping an eye on market trends, news, and other factors that could influence the price of your chosen cryptocurrency. To wrap things up, let's summarize. Cryptocurrency trading starts with understanding the technology behind it, blockchain. Then, you choose a reliable exchange platform, create an account, and deposit funds. Next, you engage in either spot or derivatives trading, and finally diligently track your investments. Cryptocurrency trading might seem complex at first, but once you understand the process, it becomes a fascinating world to explore. Remember, it's not about quick riches. It's about making informed decisions and understanding the market. So, step into this digital marketplace and who knows, you might just find your fortune.